Hi, my name is Akila Pereira. I am a Google Summer of Code student for year 2013 for Sahana Software Foundation. My project is Dynamic Portable Lab for Vesuvius platform. My mentors are Chamindra De Silva and Ramidu Desapriya. So the main goal of this project is to make Vesuvius portable and to facilitate access to data stored in Vesuvius instance in offline situations, and to provide quick deployment method for Vesuvius. This portable app will not require any installation or configuration procedures. And the final outcome of this project is a Vesuvius module that dynamically clones a hosted Vesuvius instance and creates a portable version of it. So this is the wiki page for this project, and you can see that in the student section I have given an introduction and user stories for this portable lab, and here you can see the source code launchpad branches, and I have given resource pages for project design and for demo instance. So this is the project design document. Here I have given the demo instance URL and user login details. So first we'll go to the demo instance. So this is the demo instance. Now I'll log into this using root account. So now we have logged in. Here in the main menu you can see that there is a new menu item called Dynamic Portable Lab. So we can just click on it and it will show you the module interface. Here we see that now Dynamic Portable Lab status is inactive, and we see an error message saying that we need to go to status section. So we'll go to this status tab item and see what's wrong with the module. Now here we see that there are some prerequisites that should be fulfilled before using this module. So one of the prerequisite checklist is not completed. That is a portable wrapper for Windows platform. So this portable wrapper is basically a portable infrastructure for Apache PHP MySQL stack. So I'm using a tool called Uniform Server to provide this basic infrastructure. So basically we need to host this portable wrapper in a separate repository, because this portable wrapper file is too big to be distributed with the module itself. It's about 30 megabytes. So in this configuration section we can enter the repository details. Here I have a demo repository hosted in this URL. So if we just access that, it's a simple JSON response. Here in the response I get the URL for portable wrapper downloadable file and checksum and version and status. So what it does is if I go to status section and if I click fix button, it will try to download this portable wrapper file from the repository into the hosted Vesuvius instance. So I'll just click on that. Here you can see that now the download process has started. It's downloading in the background, so I can just click OK and it will continue the downloading process in the background. So remember that this downloading happens at the server side, not at the client side. So if I just reload it now, so you can see that now wrapper file is being downloaded. It says that it's downloading on the way, so I can check the progress. So it's 41% complete, so hopefully it will complete soon. It's 55. So in the meantime, let me show you the code. So what I have done is I have created a new directory for this module called DPA, Dynamic Portable Lab. Here the main include file is this. So in the default function, what I'm doing is I'm checking the status prerequisites, whether they have been fully completed, and then you can see that I have a control section for each tab, item, and user request. So it will execute the control function for each user request. So let's see how it is now. Okay, the download is complete. So yeah, the page is refreshed. Now let's go to download tab item. Now we can see that it display a little bit description about the Dynamic Portable Lab. So it basically clones all the files in your Vesuvius instance and create a portable version of it. Here we can select modules that we need to integrate with the portable lab. So you can customize your portable lab. So these are the available module names, and there's a brief module description at this side. And you can follow this link. There's a good documentation on what these modules do. And this wizard option, you can use this wizard to select features that you need. So if you click on that, so rather than having module names, here you can show features. So so the user can select what features need to be integrated rather than by module name. So it's user friendly for non-technical people. Here I have only one feature listed. This wizard is customizable. So this is the server I have hosted this instance. So you can see that in the module directory under DPA and under bin directory, you see this DPA features.xml. So let's edit that. So you see that in this XML file I have listed this feature node for each feature. So let's create a new feature. So what we have to do is just add in a new feature node. So this is let's create a new feature called native synchronization. Okay, so to support this feature, we need sync module, and also the sync module depends on plus module. Plus module is the module that provides some web services. So we need both of these modules, so we can just write down record modules comma separated. So I'll just save this, and if I cancel it and reload the page, if I click on wizard, it's not yet propagated. Okay, here we go. So you see that there's another record, allow Vesuvius instance to synchronize data. So if I just click on that and press OK, you see that this web services module is enabled. This is the plus module, and we don't have a sync module yet. It's in under development. So if we merge it, sync module with this, you'll see another row for synchronization module, and it will enable that one too. In this section you can select filters, so you can basically filter out data that you don't want and keep the data that you need for this portable lab. You can create a portable lab for a specific event. So Vesuvius right now has a 3-level hierarchy for events. So we can have parent events and child events. So under Sandy hurricane disaster, I can select Sandy floods event. So only person records added for this particular event will be integrated with the portable lab. And also I can choose to have not to include profile images. Default is it will copy the profile images as well. And here I can select the operating system. Right now we only have portable lab for Windows platform, so you can expect portable lab for Mac and Linux in near future. And this feature, publish to site, this will serve as a distribution mechanism. So basically administrators can publish the created portable app to the Vesuvius instance itself, so that regular users can log in and download portable apps that are being published. So just we'll publish this portable app as well. So you can type in a description so that users can identify which portable app. So I'll just type in just something and press download and publish. If you select publish only button, it will only publish and it will not download it. And if you press download and publish, it will publish the portable app and it will also download it to your local machine. So we will click on download and publish. So you see that the portable app creation process is on the way, so it will take some time. So you should not navigate to another page during this process, because if you do, you won't get the file downloaded. Okay, we have it. So it's about 53 megabytes. So here we see that the download has started message, and also with the MD file checksum value. So it's highly recommended that you check your downloaded file with this MD file checksum to make sure that file integrity is there, and it will also show that the file has been successfully published. So I'll just click OK. if we go to this manage section, you'll see that the portable app that we published a while ago is there. So you can delete a portable app, or you can download it from this section as well. So it shows the date and time the portable app was published, and the user who created it, and again MD5 hash of the file. So if we log in as a regular user, so I'll try to log in as another browser, the same URL. So if I click on login, this time I'll log in as a registered user. I'll use this login detail. Okay, so now we see the dynamic portable app section here. I'll click on that. Now you see the view for registered users is different from that of for administrators. In this view we only have this download tab section. There's a small description about this portable app, and here we can see published portable apps. So regular registered users can download these published files. And this date and time is stored in UTC time zone. So when the user is viewing this page, it will convert the time zone to their local time zone. So let me show you how it works. Here we see that there's a attribute called UTC date and UTC time. So what it does is there's a JavaScript that gets the local time zone and converts this UTC date and time to users local date and time. So we'll go to our administrator view. You can see that there's a log section. So here we can see the user activities for this module. So these are the user activities. This is portable wrapper file is downloaded, and in the last we can see that this is the portable app that we published. So there's a log entry for that as well. So it will also keep track of user IP and username and date and time. So administrators can keep track of what's going on. Okay, our file is downloaded, so keep it, and I'll go to the file downloaded. So I'll just extract the file. So before doing that, I want to rename it for a nice name. Okay, the reason I did that was you're not allowed to have special characters in the path name. Let's see what happens if we do that. So I'll just put a space there and I'll extract the files. So in the meantime, I'll show you a high-level view of this portable Windows application. Well, how it works. So basically, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using this uniform server tool to provide basic web server infrastructure. It basically contains a portable Apache web server and a portable MySQL server, and I'm also using this pstart at trade role. It's a user interface to uh, to provide various control functionalities like start stop uh, servers and launch the browser. And I'm using AHK and batch scripts to execute commands to start, stop and configure the servers. And I have developed a PHP application, a web-based application, Vesuvius portable manager, and this one basically keeps track of owners details. So when you run Vesuvius portable for the first time, you need to register that. So it will ask for your email address and full name. So when the data is synchronized with the parent server, we can keep track of the source. So this is high level structure for Vesuvius portable Windows application. So here we have pstart portable app tray tool. You have portable applications, Notepad++, Firefox portable and Vesuvius portable tools, and you have uniform server tools for Windows. Under that, in Apache web server, I have configured 2 virtual hosts for Vesuvius instance and one for Vesuvius portable manager. Okay, it's complete. We have the portable app here now. So what you have to do is you have to launch this vesuvius.exe executable file. So I'll yeah, see that we have a problem here. It says that there's a space detected in the path, so you're not allowed to have spaces in the path. So I'll just rename this. Okay, now we are getting the loading screen. So in the first run, it will import the MySQL dump data, so it will take some time. Yeah, okay, now we have it. So this is the pstart portable app tray tool. Here you have options to launch Vesuvius in default browser, stop Vesuvius portable, restart, reset up view owner details, help, some useful items. So here in the first run, we are directed to register this instance. So I'll type in my details. And you have to create an administrator account at the first run as well. So that will be the account created for you. Okay, now we have the portable version of Vesuvius running on my machine. Now you can see that this portable instance is running on my machine under uh, my Windows machine name. So you need to have a proper naming scheme for Windows machine name. That's the base UUID that will be used for this instance. So I'll log into this portable instance. Okay, here it shows the details of my account. So if I just search for events on here, you can see that these are the events that we saw in the parent instance. So if I click on a event, I selected this event, sandy floods. So if I search that, so I get person records added under that event. Here you can see that there's an option for view owner details. It will list all the details of the owner of this instance, and you can check for Vesuvius status. Says now it's running, and here you can check server status. So you should always get this message saying port 80443 and 3306 in use by this server. If there are other processes that utilizes these ports, they have to be stopped first. And there are some development tools integrated with Vesuvius Portable. So there's a IDE debugger. So I have to close any existing Notepad++ processes. Now we'll launch it. Okay. Here I can use this debugger DBG plugin installed in Notepad++. So you have to allow the debugger from Windows Firewall. So I'll put a breakpoint here, and if I debug in default browser, you can see that Notepad++. Yeah, if I refresh it, you can see that I can debug the code. So it's a nice tool for developers, and you can see the stack here. It will append this xdebug parameter, and it also has PHP myadmin. You can see the database structure and database data here. Here you can see the configuration files of Apache and PHP, and also have the Apache logs and PHP error log shortcuts in this portable app tray item. So this reset up Vesuvius portable item will erase any previous registrations, and if you click on that, okay, so if you click on that, you see that it will prompt you to register this instance again, so you can reset your admin account here, or you can just skip it, so it will retain your previous registration data if you skip that. So going back to the code, uh, this is the download function. So here I'm using this ignore user board and line limit 0 to prevent PHP script from hanging in the middle, and I'm using a PHP output buffer to send the file data to the user client. So I'm just closing up previously started the PHP output buffer sessions and starting a new one here. So this is the function that creates a portable app. So I'm using this PHP built-in zip archive library to create the zip file, and it will add the db dump using a MySQL dump command. So this is for event specific portable app. So I have hard-coded table names and table primary keys to selectively dump records that are related to a specific event. So if we go to the portable application source code, well, there's not much difference between source code and the portable app. Here I have created a build script. So this will basically create a build for this portable wrapper file. Uh, so it will basically create this zip file. This is the file that needs to be hosted in the portable wrapper repository. So I have tested this portable app in Windows XP, Windows 2003 Server, and Windows 7 and Windows 8, and initial testing is successful. And I also tested the dynamic portable app module for Vesuvius in Windows 7 and Windows 2003 Server and Ubuntu. That's also tested and working okay. So my integration plan, I have detailed out the steps for integration plan in my uh, documentation. You can see it here in section 4. So the resource allocation now, we need a hosting space to host the dynamic portable app wrapper file, and also a standalone Vesuvius portable app. So this repository needs to be hosted in on a Sahana software foundation server, and there are two components for this project. One is dynamic portable app Vesuvius module. Source code is hosted in a separate launchpad branch, and it needs to be merged with the Vesuvius trunk. And the other component is Vesuvius portable Windows application. That's also hosted in a separate launchpad branch, and this needs to be adapted as a separate product under Sahana Software Foundation, because this is something different from Vesuvius, and also it needs to be released as a standalone portable app. So these are the activities. First we have to review project source code and documentation, and then revise and resubmit considering peer review comments. And then we need to merge dynamic portable app launchpad branch with Vesuvius trunk. To do that, we have to examine branch differences and devise a merge plan. So in this dynamic portable app branch, I have only created a new module called DPA Vesuvius module, and also a rewrite tool for Apache.ht access file, and MySQL query for module access control. And we need to host portable app wrappers repository on the Sahana Software Foundation servers, and also a standalone version of portable app on Sahana Software Foundation servers for quick access. And then we need to create a release package for Vesuvius. We need to add some new queries to Vesuvius start SQL dump, basically access control queries, and also make a build from launchpad trunk. And we need to publish dynamic portable app user guide on Sahana Software Foundation wiki page, and I'm hoping to integrate dynamic portable app with the NLM people locator as a reference point. So this documentation also contains a project meetings log. So this contains a brief notes taken for each meeting that took place up until now, and also it contains some design key decisions that were taken and justification for those decisions. And here I have written a user guide for Vesuvius portable Windows application, so you can so users can get to know how to work with this application. And also I created the user guide for dynamic portable app Vesuvius module. So there are two user guides and some design documents. This is the execution workflow for Vesuvius module, and this is the access control MySQL query. So that's it for my presentation. I would like to thank my mentors Chamindra and Ramidu for their support, and I'm hoping to contribute to Vesuvius in future. Thank you.